a young prince who has never seen the hardships of life before. But when he finally leaves his palace, he is affected when he sees sickness, old age, and death. To understand the suffering in the world, he gives up his royal life and sets out on a spiritual journey. During this journey, he gets enlightened under a banyan tree and known as the Buddha, the Enlightened One. His teachings, now called Buddhism, have greatly influenced the world, specifically the Indian subcontinent, offering people a path of kindness, mindfulness, and inner peace. Buddhism was founded in the 6th century BCE by Gautam Buddha. Born as Siddhartha, a prince of the Shakya clan in the region that is now in modern-day Nepal, Buddhism initially spread through the teachings of the Buddha and his disciples, gaining followers in the kingdoms of northern India and later to the whole Indian subcontinent. The early spread of Buddhism significantly changed the reign of Emperor Ashoka. After his conversion to Buddhism following the Kalinga War, Ashoka became one of the most prominent followers of Buddhism. He sent missionaries all across Asia, built stupas and monasteries, and promoted Buddhist values throughout his empire. The period following Ashoka saw Buddhism flourish in India. The Buddhist teachings of Mahayana Buddhism, a major branch that emphasized the role of Bodhisattva, which is helping others to achieve enlightenment. Buddhism began to decline in India around the 7th century CE. Several factors contributed to this decline, including the resurgence of Hinduism, which absorbed many of the Buddha's teachings into its practices. The invasions of the Indian subcontinent also led to the destruction of many Buddhist monasteries. By the 12th century, Buddhism had largely faded from the Indian landscape, surviving primarily in pockets of the Himalayan region. Though Buddhism largely disappeared from India, its teachings continued to thrive in other parts of Asia, especially in Sri Lanka, Southeast Asia, Tibet, China, and Japan. Today, the Dalai Lama and Tibetan Buddhism have also contributed to the resurgence of interest in Buddhist philosophy within India. Buddhism's journey in India is a reflection of the country's rich and dynamic spiritual heritage, offering timeless lessons of compassion, mindfulness, and the pursuit of enlightenment. Do you know the name of the place in Nepal where Lord Buddha was born? Lumbini, Kathmandu, Mahendranagar, or Sanchi? Tell us in the comments and like, share, and subscribe to our channel.